Welcome to the Phi-Tech YouTube channel. Our channel brings interesting moments in life such as transport machinery equipment, tree saws, accident moments, cameras, military. We hope everyone will support watching the video, and if you find it interesting, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, and now invite everyone to watch interesting videos. Say goodbye to those pesky tree stumps. The SP5014 TRX stump grinder is here to save the day. Like a superhero for your yard, it tackles those stumps quickly and efficiently, turning them into oblivion with ease. You'll be amazed at how much fun stump removal can be, making you wonder why you ever bothered with a shovel before. Efficiency combined with precision. The LT70 is not just a sawmill but a machine designed to maximize profits. The thin kerf technology means more wood and less waste. From manual handling to ultra-fast hydraulic processing, plus a CUET or PLC controls, it can adapt to any operation. The Lube Miser system is the cherry on top, keeping your saw blades clean and sharp for longer. If you're serious about milling, the LT70 is the real deal.
This wood cutting machine makes logging in the winter forests in the snow easy.
Quickly becoming indispensable for forestry operations, land reclamation, and landscaping. Wood chippers come in various sizes, ranging from smaller, portable models to industrial-sized machines capable of processing entire trees. The TAV 690 OP is a relentless contender battling through mud and massive logs with its powerful 6-cylinder engine and reliable transmission. This vehicle effortlessly navigates snow-covered roads and deep mud up to 50 centimeters. Thanks to its large wheels and differential lock system, the TAV 690 OP securely pulls heavy logs weighing several tons. With the engine's roar filling the air, each revolution a testament to its resilience against the toughest challenges. The Bagamulla AHWI is designed to handle stumps and trees in forested areas or along roadside. With exceptional power and precise operation, this machine is ideal for land clearing, stump removal, and eliminating dead trees, ensuring safety and environmental protection during the process. The performance here is from the Tiger X 822 Del Buncher, a true steed fully adapted to the harsh terrain of Michigan's Upper Peninsula. Not to be overlooked is the exceptional power of the Tiger Cat 57002 Hot W, a machine capable of felling the largest hardwood and softwood trees with remarkable precision. Have you ever wondered how to avoid cutting down a dead tree? Thank goodness for kind neighbors who know exactly what to do and happen to be gardeners with plenty of tree cutting experience. This was probably the most memorable failure of my entire career. Introducing the X9 Woodzer with its 9900M tungsten cutting blade, a perfect blend of tradition and modern innovation. It slices through 370 meters of hardwood like butter. Simply attach it to your excavator, and you're ready to tackle any challenge. Terrain, do you want to explore the limitless potential of a handheld chainsaw for crafting impressive wooden creations on the spot? Leave a comment to let me know your thoughts. With Chassis PPIMS Max ISOIL. The perfect solution for forest soil preparation. Click, like, and enhance your work efficiency. Reduce costs, and protect the environment today.
Big one.
Discover the ideal solution for cutting 2x4 wood with exceptional precision and mobility with the Dimension Portable Sawmill. The machine effortlessly slices through logs, turning them into perfect timber strips. Ideal for any outdoor or construction work. Its compact design and high performance make it an essential tool for carpentry and construction. The High-Glar NDIHL-22 machine stands tall in the forest like a giant of steel. Powerful and majestic compared to conventional harvesters. Its 6 massive wheels and advanced balancing system allow it to maneuver effortlessly on steep terrains. Outperforming 4-wheeled machines. Equipped with an FPT 6-cylinder engine, it unleashes an enormous 284 horsepower, double that of many other harvesters. The modern cabin, featuring an intelligent control system, provides a driving experience that is both comfortable and safe, far beyond what older models can offer.
Out. Finally drew a nice sunny day for a change, so let's find out. It has a 20-foot hydraulic conveyor and log lift. Its single wedge puts out around 26.
The small farms, with splitting force of up to 20 tons, make it easy to handle all types of wood with fast splitting speeds, just 4 seconds per cycle. With a simple design, the machine is easy to operate and suitable for users of all ages.
Of course, the back. Tried to keep this as now to get this back.